Welcome back. Data download time. This week, the federal government announced more emergency water cuts for states, as well as our neighbor to the south along the Colorado River. Arizona and Nevada, as well as parts of Mexico, are going to be required to significantly reduce their water usage from the Colorado River in 2023. Now, it is hard to overstate the importance of the Colorado River Basin in the Southwest. It serves 40 million people. Look at the annual economic activity it generates, 1.4 trillion. But we're in the middle of a 23-year mega drought as well, which is contributing to what has been a low level of water all along the Colorado River Basin. In fact, it is as dry there now as it has been in the last 1,200 years. Let me show you these water levels these days. Right now, we are at some dangerously low levels here, just over 1,000 feet. The near high was about 20 years ago, near 1,200 feet there. Let me just put this in perspective. Go back to 1937. That's when we first started filling Lake Mead, and the level is basically the same. If the lake drops further to 950 feet, the dam no longer is able to produce hydroelectric power. So forget just a water crisis, then you have an energy crisis too. Look, there's a lot of reasons for the diminishing water supply. Climate change is a big part of it, but you also can't ignore the impact of simply growing population numbers. Look at the cities that are served by the Colorado River Basin. They are among the cities that a lot of Americans have been moving to over the last 20 years. Some of the places in the sun and fun of San Diego, Vegas, Denver, etc. And look at these population gains. In 1990, the area was over 16 million. Now it's over 23 million. By 2025, we are looking at 25 million. So, put it all together. The rate of population growth continues as high as it is. We continue with this mega drought. We are going to have more actions like this that become more drastic, more extreme. And then we're going to be fighting politically over water. It is not a pretty picture.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.